like a crack at it. How we doing, baby? Hey, y'all. I'm about to go pick up the Camaro. It has been almost 2 months. Let's go get it. I'm too excited. I don't even want to hold y'all up on talking. Hold on. I need the sunlight. I don't want to hold y'all up, man. We're about to go get the Camaro. I'm so excited. Come along with me. We have to rewrap it, but it don't matter. Shut up. Let's go. I'm excited. Bro, we are out. Now, the only thing that sucks is I've been waiting almost 2 motherfucking months for this. And we got Bree. Bree's here with us. We know we make sure we need that help now. We're gonna go get my car. We're gonna go get my babies. So I cannot wait. Like, I want to tell y'all how we got this car, because it was probably gonna be another week or two. And shout out to my girl Mary and Maria from USAA. Alright, I called my insurance company and I started snitching. I say, ma'am, my car has been gone for too long, and when I called, you know, the repairs, the car is drivable. It's been drivable for a long fucking time. They're talking about, oh well, we just need to put in the inserts on your fender wheel liner. I said, man, give me my car back and we could come back for the fender wheel liner at any time. What happened? So I got the call and it's time to ball. I'm gonna get dropped off because we still waiting on baby girl to show up. But like I said, this video is focused on the car. Let's go ahead and get my baby, man. I got both babies are on their way home today. There she goes.
The other fender part is white.
Look at my baby, y'all. Oh man. I'm gonna pull up next to it. Bree knows how to back out because she gotta go, y'all. But look at my baby. Oh. They did an okay wash on it, but anyways, let's get out of here. All right, I'm going to the phone, y'all, and we will be back. All right, y'all, I got my baby back. Sorry, I'm on the phone, but iPhones aren't too bad. So this panel should be, the side skirt should be black. The panel is white, so I'm gonna have to wrap that black and then wrap the rest purple so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. And then this is what it should look like on this side. So you know what I'm saying? We gotta switch it up a little bit. But let's do a cold start. We haven't heard this in forever. Come on. Oh yeah, she sounds so damn good. So good. Alright. It sounds so good and feels so good to be inside my car, y'all. Oh. I miss it so damn much. I got my motherfucking car. I got my motherfucking car. The rap looks stupid, but it's alright. The rap looks stupid, but it's alright. I say, I got my motherfucking car. I got my motherfucking car. We back with it. We back with it. Yo, I'm so excited to have my freaking car back. I'm extremely excited to have my car back. So, shit, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm dying. I'm tired. But yeah, I'm so excited, bro. Y'all don't understand. Like, I'm feeling good. I'm excited. That's it. Until next time. No. I lied. I gotta show y'all the car one more time when I get to the house. I see y'all in a little bit. Like and subscribe, bro. I got my car. Like, subscribe, show some love. I'm so excited that my baby's back. Y'all been waiting for. Look at it. Let me come on. Look at this baby. Oh, we still got E85 in there, 60%. We got the okay. Like, look at this baby. Let me pay attention to the road because it would be so shitty if I crashed again. Or hydroplane. That's what I meant. That's what I meant, y'all. Wait, how do I fix this? Oh, okay, over here. I really, like, driving the wife's car, I really don't even know how to drive this stuff anymore. Like, I don't even know how to handle it. I already get on gas, oil, boom, 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 supercharged. Like, yeah. I missed it. Put my radar back up. That's me looking all handsome, like, you feel me? But nah, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, you have no idea. Just want to drive safe, nobody in the back seat. I have lifetime warranty on everything, you know, so I can't complain. Oh, the only complaint I would have, the sad story part is, like, I don't have my wrap on. You know, the fact that they can rewrap it there hurts my feelings. It makes me sad, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I just can't wait to be back on the road. I can't wait to be back into events. I'm trying to finding a wrap company to like do my shit on the spot. And I'm talking like a front bumper and a side panel. That should take a day's worth of work. I can't find anybody, man. I got the wrap myself. I got the material myself. Like, that should be easy. But you can't find nobody that want work, or everybody like somebody wants $650 to wrap a bumper. That's a $200 to $350 job. Y'all trying to rob me out here, and I'm not gonna pay them ridiculous prices. Like, I'm not, just due to the fact I can, but I don't want to. I still gotta change my tires. I still need to get in alignment after that. I still need to lower my car. Like, I still need my lowering springs. Like, come on, man. Y'all acting like some thieves. Like, dead ass, y'all acting like thieves, and that I can't do it. Well, I don't know what to tell you boys, and maybe if ladies are watching, but I'm so damn excited to be back. She's in the garage now, all right, as y'all can see. She is in the garage. All right, so it looks amazing, man. I'm happy with everything. I'm definitely happy with everything. I missed the little purple in the wrap. Tomorrow I'm about to drop it off. I found a shop that can take care of me in Atlanta, Georgia, so that'd be great. I want to go purple on the side here. Let me know what y'all think, if that's stupid, but I don't think it is. Remember, we got the purple, we got the black, we got the gold, so I'm going for that little joker. Alright, the gold don't match exactly. There's more of a yellow, but that's okay. It's a cool little sign. It has an Instagram on there, the I Stay Joshing with the YouTube, so y'all can get both of the social medias at once. Like I said, unfortunately, they painted the bumper, or they painted the side skirt white where it should have been black. So I'm going to have the guy do black from here all the way down. And then up here, we're going with purple. Purple, 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 purple. And that's it. Now, once we add all that purple, we are done. We're good to go. We're done. Sorry for the mess. But like I said, she's back. And honestly, that's the most important part for me. That's all I really care about. So once we get this main bumper tied in, I don't see any more issues. We get that main bumper tied in, man, and we are set and good to go. So thank you guys for all the support, man. Thank y'all for just being along the journey. I appreciate that shit. So again, once we knock all this out, we will be completely done. That's all I got to get left on there. All I got to get left is that, and we are good. So like I said, hey, subscribe, do what y'all got to do. But we're in here like swimwear. This is gonna be amazing. I hope he could get it done, just finally, like, completely done tomorrow. If I gotta leave it there, that's fine. But I'm ready to get her done, because it's not staying on for too much longer. All right, so it's not. It's just not gonna last. Like, oh, it's so much crap, man. Like, even the wash these boys did on there, I'm telling you, to have a car and to take care of it and have other people love it like you do is almost really impossible. It's really almost impossible. So we will see. But let's put this on real quick. I've been talking y'all head off for a little minute now. I apologize. But like I said, man, I'm just a little bit excited to have the goddamn car back. Look at that. That's actually looking good. Now, it's all on the peel though, man. So, let's see how easy this thing want to peel. Come on. Oh, terrible. Terrible on the peel. Come on. Okay. Yeah, I was told you always want to do it at an angle. You always want to do it at an angle. Okay, so, oh, so far so good. Come on. Damn. Let me try upward. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ah! And the YouTube.
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get it.